Hello and welcome to this video on how to make a steam bent window seat. As you can see, I've made a model of the seat here and it requires some quite tight bent wood. 7 strips of 60mm wide lats, 10mm thick. And here's the full-size seat itself, which is basically just a top and bottom of 18mm chipboard with struts running the profile of the seat, then covered in bendy ply. And finally, here's the former that I'm going to strap the steamed wood to. So let's have a go now at seeing how we get on. So yesterday we had a little bit of an accident and I found out why. The wood I've been using has been kiln-dried and you're not allowed to use kiln-dried wood. And the wood we're using is Sapele and you can't steam bend Sapele. So what I've done is I've cut all of the strips down to 5mm thick. They're all in the steamer, they've been in an hour and a half and we'll see how it goes today. As you can see, the steam bending isn't really working tremendously well on this kiln-dried wood, but it's going to do it.